Driverschat is an operational communication system for managers who need speed, control, and clear documentation. It connects teams through instant push-to-talk, background operation, departments, roles, instant translation, and PDF reports. One system for real-time coordination and operational proof. Begin by downloading Driverschat from Google Play or the App Store. Create your account from the My Account section using your name, email, phone number, country, and language. The app's info traffic appearance is intentional. It adds a useful layer of discretion and operational security. Once registered, you are ready to request your company test channel. After registration, contact the Driverschat team and request your 7-day company test channel. We create your dedicated platform on your existing account, send access details by WhatsApp, and support you through setup. In just a few minutes, your operational communication system is ready to test. Inside the Driverschat desktop system, you create your company departments as communication zones. Each department can be configured for who talks, who listens, and how messages move between teams. Managers get a clear operational structure and full control over the communication flow. Before joining the company test channel, each team member first downloads Driverschat and creates a basic account. Once registered, the dispatcher can add them to the company platform and assign them to the right departments. Each user can receive specific permissions, reporting access, and language settings. Only authorized users can enter the commercial channel, keeping your operational communication controlled and secure. After the manager adds a team member, the user opens Driverschat, goes to Groups, selects Commercial Channels, and joins the company channel. Only authorized users can see and access that channel. If a user was not added by the manager, they cannot enter. This keeps company communication private, controlled, and operationally secure. After joining the company channel, each user opens settings and enables notifications, background operation, and phone permissions. Then they connect the Bluetooth headset or external PTT button and pair it inside Driverschat. Once completed, the team can communicate hands-free, even with the phone locked or running in the background. This is where Driverschat becomes fully operational. Each user opens the Driverschat settings and connects the dedicated communication hardware. The Bluetooth headset, bone-conduction headset, or external PTT transmission button is first connected to the phone through Bluetooth. Then, inside Driverschat, the user goes to the dedicated transmission button section and pairs the hardware directly with the application. From this moment, communication becomes truly operational. The user no longer needs to hold the phone, unlock the screen, or search inside the app. With one external button, mounted on equipment, clothing, or placed within reach, the team member can transmit instantly, even while working, driving, moving, or handling tools. Inside the Talk section, each user sees only the departments assigned by the manager. They can listen, transmit, or participate in multiple communication zones, depending on their permissions. This keeps communication clean, controlled, and relevant for every role in the team. Once the user selects the right department, communication becomes simple. Press the Talk button, wait 1 second, and speak. With Driverschat, voice communication does not disappear at the end of the shift. Managers can generate branded PDF reports by department, incident, subject, or time interval. This gives your company visibility, accountability, and operational proof. Driverschat turns real-time voice traffic into clear operational documentation. Operational communication, proven response.